You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. It's a little bit confusing, so let's clarify the pronunciation in English. Bulge. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. You could essentially replace the GE at the end with a J, so it's a J sound. Bulge. Bulge. How to pronounce? It's pretty straightforward once you know. Bulge. Bulge. And now you know. Can you pronounce it correctly? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.